Corvette Boys here with my man Terry with his beautiful 54 Chevy pickup. Terry, tell us a little bit about the truck here.
54, airbagged. It's got a nice LS2 motor in it.
LS2.
That's it. Nice interior done by Smith Customs in West Virginia. The color is a 07 Audi TT color. It's an Audi gray.
Wow, beautiful.
The interior I had done out by a guy, Smith Customs out in West Virginia.
Okay.
Awesome guy out there. Did really cool. Did really nice work.
Beautiful.
Everything else I'm kind of working along on myself. A little wood bed, mahogany.
Wow, okay. Beautiful truck, man.
Mustang 2 front end in the front. 4-link in the back.
Wow.
Air conditioning, Bluetooth radio.
She must get up
Just
on the
cruise.
highway.
Yeah, it's fun. It's a nice steady ride. You know, I love to take it for a cruise. That's all.
Right, yeah.
Love that LS.
Yes, definitely, Terry.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Beautiful truck. Corvette Boys right here at the Cars and Hounds show out here in Fairfield, New Jersey. Beautiful Saturday day. Enjoying ourselves out here. You guys take care.